Hi, I'm Jackie Jones, and I'm popping in for a quick video. As you all know by now, I'm running for judge for the Court of Common Pleas of Delaware County. And as I go throughout the county, I hear so many really great questions, and people want to know why we're so excited about this race and what is so important about being a judge. What do you do? And one of the things that's come up is, how can judges make a difference in the court system? Now, this will be a very quick video because I have been out today and my children should be home very quickly, and you don't want to hear from them when they first come into the house. But judges can make a difference in how they run their courtroom and how they interact with the other judges, and the process of creating new specialty courts that can help us all out. Let's start with the basics. A judge in criminal court, for instance, could have anywhere from 80 to 100 new cases a week. Well, what difference does that make? Well, it makes a big difference, because if a judge has 80 to 100 new cases, that judge has to find a way to dispose of that case. What happens sometimes is that there becomes a contest of how many cases can I get through very quickly. But that is not the way the justice should work. While you do want expedited justice, you want it to be quick, you don't want someone to be on trial forever, you do want to make sure that every case gets its time. So one of the things that I think is very important in managing a courtroom is to make sure that you give due deference to the attorneys working the case. Allow them to do their job, and for you to be the mediator between the attorneys to let them move towards solutions. So in criminal court, for instance, what that would look like is gathering the attorneys who are working, maybe, in the week before, and say, hey, look, if you have pleas, you have deals, you have things worked out, we may set aside a special day to do all those sort of things so that you don't have to be there for the cattle call with everyone else. If there are cases that need a true pretrial, where they need us to sit around and talk about what motions are going to be filed and dates and those sort of things, they can be done in the back room with just the attorneys and the judge, so that we can move through them expediently. In family court, this may look like more pretrial conferences, more exchanging of information ahead of time, and actually sitting down and talking with the judge before court so that we can all agree on what the major issues are. So in every courtroom, in every aspect of your life, you have an opportunity. Oh, my dog has just come over. Puppy, come say hi. Mila is excited about mommy running for judge too. But in every courtroom, in every instance, a judge can make a difference in trying to make justice fair for all. And one of the ways we do that is by making our courtrooms much more accessible to everyone who uses them. So again, that's just one way that a judge can make a difference in the court system. You have a great night. Mila says good night too. Mila.